welcome back to Milean Arts. Today we're going to be making our grandmother's yummy recipe, that is dream chicken. Today we're going to be having Kitty Witty, hello, and Snowflake, hello. So let's start cooking.
We will be needing onions cut into cubes, boneless chicken cut into cubes, boiled with salt and turmeric powder, chicken stock, red capsicum, green capsicum, yellow capsicum, regular cornflakes, soy sauce, chili powder, butter, chopped green chili, tomato sauce, ginger and garlic paste. Place the chicken into a large bowl. Add 2 large spoons of tomato sauce. And 1 large spoon of soya sauce. Mix to marinate. Marinate for 1 hour. Melt the butter. Add cubed onions. Saute. Add green capsicum, red capsicum and yellow capsicum. Saute. Add ginger garlic paste and chopped green chilies. Make sure the color do not change. Add marinated chicken cubes. Salt, chili powder to taste. Sprinkle in some cornflakes and add rest of the cornflakes to chicken stock and pour in. Let it cook for a few minutes. It smells so good. Wow! It looks so yummy! You're right, Kitty Witty. Let's eat it!
Thank you for watching Milean Arts, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos! Bye-bye! Bye!
Please subscribe to Milean Arts.